You don't need any skills to do this. This is worldwide, and this is my earnings for today in the last 30 minutes doing this strategy. Let's get straight into it. And this is not going to be surveys, this is not going to be CPA marketing, this is going to be something brand new. You don't need any money to get started, you don't need any skills, we're not going to be producing any content, and we don't need any social media following. This is worldwide and free to do, and that is why I think this is an amazing method for all the beginners watching for this video, or in fact for anybody that is watching this video. This is a great way to make some extra income online. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. And also click on the first link in the description. There you can join my private Facebook group if you have any questions. I'm building a whole community out there where you guys can ask each other questions. Some of you might have some answers where we can all help each other out with our problems with earning online. So if you want any help, make sure to click that link. You can also message me directly and I'll definitely try to get back to all of you. I'm super excited to share that group with you guys. And also I'm posting videos on how to make money online every single day and how to build your online presence and how to build your online brand. But if you're ready for this value packed video, let's get straight into it. So the platform that I've got on the screen, guys, is the platform that I've been using for this method. I'm going to show you how to sign up and get onto this platform right away in this video. But firstly, you can see right here, I've currently earned $107.72. I only started on this website today. That is the 21st of February, which is the published date of this video. You can see right here, statistics for 21st of Feb. This is 9,000 views. Link earnings, $107.72 at a CPM of 11.50. As I say, we're not producing content, we're not producing any video content, we're not selling anything. This is going to be something brand new. And I'm actually going to combine two websites with these methods, and these two websites are completely brand new to my channel. So make sure that you watch this video until the end so that you can learn how these two websites work, because they are probably brand new to you as well. So in order to understand how they work and to get the most information on those websites so you can leverage that info to really benefit from these platforms, make sure to stick with me until the end. And the first thing we need to do, guys, we need to head over to Google, and we basically just want to find random attractive articles that we want to get people to click on. So for example, it can be an article on how someone made $50 in a day. I mean, that's a niche that really applies to everybody, as everybody wants to work and somehow earn an income. That's something we can use, but do keep in mind, we're not going to be producing the articles. We're not going to be posting articles. We're not going to be posting any content. There's going to be a whole different way on how we're going to make money. And that's not through the articles itself. That's through this platform that will lead these people to the articles. It's also not CPA. You'll understand now just in a bit that you will get paid for doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for this article, how to make money online. I'm just going to find some articles on that, as that's quite a good niche. You can also use, for example, how to get a six-pack, how to lose weight, how to lose belly fat. There's so many different articles that you can search for. As remember, we're just using the articles. And do remember that we're not actually going to be making money with the articles itself. We're going to be making money with something completely different. That's the platform that we're going to be combining with these articles. You'll see right here, there's a ton on Google, 12 ways you can absolutely make money online. You'll see right here, this is a good one over here, and it basically just gives people 12 ways to make money online. Let's also use another one, for example. So I'm going to use one, for example, of how to lose weight. We can find some articles on that. So you'll see right here, permanent weight loss. Let's do this one right here, how to lose weight and keep it off. This is another article we can use. And you don't even need to read through about it yourself. You just need to have the article. That's all that's important for this method. And this can work in any other niche. It can literally be about cars. It can be about finance. It can be about food. It can be about anything that you want to, or any niche that you want to get into. Something that also does very well is like mysteries. So we can go, for example, like top 10 mysteries is something that will do well. That's something that people are interested. There's a whole bunch of articles that you can use on mysteries as well. Now that we've got a couple of articles, we can head on to the next platform, which is the most important and crucial step. So make sure to keep watching with me so that I can show you how this works. But if you're still here, make sure to leave a like on this video and let's keep going forward. So now we've got some articles. As I say, I'm just going to use, for example, how to lose weight. I really like this one. I'm going to copy the link of this article, this case helpguide.org, org/article/diets, and you've got the link to your article. Then I'm going to head over to a platform called shrinkme.io, and you'll see right here you can actually earn money. It's one of the highest paying URL shorteners on the internet right now, and you can earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. Now, I know this sounds like a lot, but there's actually a platform that can get you 10,000 views really quickly. If you just stick with me, I'm going to show you how to do that. And you're basically just going to get paid for people clicking onto your link. So what this website does is something like Bit. It's very similar to that of bit.ly, where people click on your link. You can track the amount of clicks it gets, except companies will pay shrinkme.io to run ads on this link page. And while you're clicking on this link, 1 or 2 ads will pop up, and then you will get paid a commission on those ads. So that is how this works, and $220 per 10,000 views is a much higher pay than YouTube. And keep watching with me, because the traffic source that I'm about to give you is something brand new. It's really going to get you a lot of traffic to your links, which will get you a lot of clicks and will get you results that look like this. And remember, we're not going to be using a YouTube channel. We're not posting any content, but this is still going to be an autopilot method, because we're not going to be putting any of the effort into ourselves. It's just this initial setup that we've got to do. So if I come over to the payout rates, quickly want to show you what you can actually earn with this. They've got a whole bunch of different countries where you're going to get paid per 1,000 views. So you'll see right here, traffic from the US, which will be one of the most popular ones, is $10 per 1,000 views, which is a really good rate. Greenland, which is $22 per 1,000 views, which is amazing. Ireland, which is also a fairly popular one, $16, and then UK and Belgium at $7.50, which is still a very good pay. And then they've got Canada, Germany, Australia, all the way down to Indonesia, which is the lowest one at $2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the average CPM that we can earn amongst all these countries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the highest one, that is $22. I'm going to add the 2.50, which is the lowest one, and I'm going to divide that by 2, which will give me the average of a $12.12 or $25 per 1,000 views CPM amongst all these countries, which is a really good CPM. You'll see right here, mine's been at about $11.50, which has been very close to the average. So what you can do is you can register your account on the top right. There will be a register button. You just need your email and password, and you can immediately sign into your account. And you'll see right here, you can also get a sign up bonus of $1 per person that you refer. So now that I've got my URL to my article website, I'm just going to paste that over here. I'm going to click the arrow, which will then generate my short link. You'll see right here, this is what this looks like. And then you'll see right here, if I actually go to this link, it's going to open up a page like this, where it's going to ask the person for the captcha. They've got some ads over here. So what they're going to do is, all they're going to do is enter the captcha, like it will open up 1 or 2 ads. They're going to tick that, and they can then click continue. And then they've got to wait like a couple of seconds while these ads run, and then you'll see right here, your link will now be available, which will take them to their article right. So now you'll get a commission for all of those ads that ran on this click or this link. So now what I'm going to do is, to get a ton of traffic to this link, I'm actually going to head over to 2 places that will get you to 10,000 views or clicks on your link pretty easily. So I'm going to head over to Fiverr.com, which is a popular freelance marketplace, and I'm just going to type in your Instagram on the search bar. Let's go Instagram. Okay, I'm just going to go Instagram shoutouts, for example, and I'm going to find influencers that will basically shout out my account. So you'll see right here, I will do a shout out on a 500K 4 facts pages page, which is pretty good. So that's at $10 for a shout out on 500K. Now let's say even out of 5,000 people out of that 500K account clicks on your link, you're going to get about $150 to $100 literally in 10-15 minutes for those people clicking on that link. If they run it on a story, for example, you know, when people do the swipe up on the Instagram story, they'll most likely do that for you. So you can pay them like $10 to do a shout out, which is what I've been doing. I've literally been buying gigs off Fiverr and another place called shoutcart.com, where you can purchase gigs. People basically do Instagram stories for you, Instagram shoutouts to your link to your affiliate offers and that sort of thing. It's a great way of paid marketing or paid advertising. You'll see right here, if I come over to browse influencers, you'll see right here, this person with 310K followers at a shout out of $15. So let's say even 8 to 10,000 people out of those followers or that see the story click on your link. You're going to get probably like $11 per 1,000 views. So that's probably $100 plus views or in revenue from the ads on the Shrink Me link straight to your account on the dashboard, which I've literally been doing. You can see right here, a total of 9,900 views got me $107 doing this. And you can see right here, you can actually filter through Instagram bio and link. So I'm just going to filter through everything on Instagram, as I only want to do my shoutouts on an Instagram page, as I feel Instagram is the most effective for this method. And you'll see right here, you can actually choose various different categories. So for example, since my case, the category or the niche I've chosen is how to lose weight, you can actually sift this down even more. You can go to food and nutrition. You can also look for sports, maybe like fitness, sports, that kind of thing will do well. And you can go and get shout outs on those specific pages within that niche, simply because that audience will be more interested in this kind of content, getting you more clicks, because they obviously, since they're following a weight loss or a fitness page, they are interested in losing weight, meaning they will obviously be more interested in that article compared to someone who's maybe doing humor or memes, won't really be interested in how to lose weight. Now, I know I said at the beginning of this video that this is going to be a free method, but I know you're paying for shoutouts, but I'm going to try and make this free for you, because let's say you don't have 10 or 15 bucks to invest into a shoutout. Right here on the screen, I've got a method where you can actually test websites. You'll only get about 3 to 5 tests a month on each platform. I'm giving a total of 10 websites, 3 to 5 tests each, where you'll get paid $10 per test that you can complete. So on this video, I basically teach you exactly how to do that step by step, how you can earn money for getting paid or getting paid to test companies' websites. So on the screen right here, make sure to go and click this video. That's if you don't have $10 to $15 to spare to invest into something like this. But make sure to click on this video, and I'll see you there.